not scheduled until the 2nd. Trying to get him out. Mr. Romero Turner? Am I muted?
Here?
Yes, okay. You're not scheduled until June 2nd at 9:30. Yes, June 2nd at 9:30 for a trial.
Well, I thought I had one today too. Could they send me a ticket in the mail? That's why I thought it was one today too.
All of your matters may have been moved to the same day. I'm not seeing your name.
Okay.
Not for today. Yep, June 2nd at 9:30. And make sure you're here. You have a lot of cases, and so the officers will show up.
Okay.
Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
Okay. Okay, Your Honor, is it okay if I let some other people in?
Yeah, sorry, I'm trying to get Outlook to reload for me and it's not working. So sorry, that's what I've gotten distracted with. It keeps blocking me.
Oh. I don't know if we got the offers for today.
Okay.
See an email. I'm looking now. Uh-oh. Yeah, I need to get them for today. I don't have 40.
Oh no. Madam Clerk, I just sent you a text. Then if you can look at my text, then I'll deal with check-ins if you want.
Okay.
All right, good morning to those of you who just came in. Good morning to those of you who just came in. I am Judge Ramsey-Heath. Welcome to Traffic Court. I need to get you properly named and into breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Those of you who are fully named will be placed in first, and I'll help the rest of you get renamed. Do I have Ashley Payman? Just unmute so that I can hear you. Please answer me so that I know that I have the right name on the phone. Ashley Payman.
My bad. Yes, that's me.
Okay, thank you. Going to put you in room 18. Please hit join. I have Ivy Tinsley. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, I'm here.
Going to put you in room 19. Guys, just so you know, there is a wait to see the attorneys. You're the second wave of folks in. So I'm starting now with room 18. That means there's 18 people ahead of you and 2 lawyers. So please just, there's a wait. Be patient. If you know you need to show them things like registration, insurance, etc., gather those items while you're waiting.
Okay.
All right. Ivy Tinsley, room 19.
Okay.
And then Rebecca Page, good morning. Please unmute. Let me know that that's the correct name.
It is. Good morning.
Good morning. You're going to room 20. All right. Now I have, it says Crispy Den iPhone. What is your real name, please? I can't hear you. Please speak up.
Dennis Pritchard. Dennis Pritchard.
Thank you. Spell Pritchard for me, please.
Pritchard.
Thank you. All right. And then I have a lady on an iPhone. Good morning. What's your name?
Kelsey Turner.
Okay. Kelsey.
Chelsea.
Can you spell it for me?
CHELSEA.
Thank you. All right, then I have someone on the TCL device sending you a prompt to unmute. Please unmute and give me a name. You're not unmuted. There we go.
My name Tyrone Payton.
What's your last name, Tyrone?
Payton.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
One moment, please. Okay, yes, Ms. Turner.
You spelled my name with a T. It's a C in the beginning.
CH. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I'm going to get you guys into breakout rooms to meet with the attorney. Again, there is a wait. Please just use the time to gather documents if you need to. Let's see. Ms. Turner, you are going to 21. I need you to hit join, please, Ms. Turner. 21. Dennis Pritchard, you're going to 22. And then Mr. Payton, Tyrone Payton, you are going to 23. Dewan Tell, did someone send you back out of the breakout room?
I never talked to anyone in the breakout room.
Okay,
I
so
was
we're
just
checking
waiting.
people in. The attorneys are making their way there. I can't have people doing this all morning. So you have to go back. You have to wait for them to get to you. If you know that your case involves showing them documents, use the time to gather the documents. This slows court down. So I need you to stay there and wait for them to get to you, please.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, Thaddeus Tatum, good morning. Please unmute. Let me know that that's your correct name. And then who do I have on the Motorola device? Okay. Guys, I need you to unmute and give me a name so I can get you checked in.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can. What's your name?
My name is Ebony Towns.
Okay, thank you. And Thaddeus Tatum, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, is that your correct name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're both going to be placed in breakout rooms to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. You will have to be patient. There's a lot of people waiting to speak to 2 attorneys, okay? So they will be with you as soon as they can. If you know that you need to show registration, insurance, etc., please go ahead and gather those items while you're waiting. Ms. Towns, you're going to 24. Mr. Tatum, you're going to 25. Please just hit join and wait there in those rooms for the attorneys.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Well, the interesting thing is, Madam Clerk, like I've got one of the House counsel saying that they need a new offer. So I'm wondering if they got offer sheets and we did not. On room 6, it says court-appointed attorney. Does that mean she has a court-appointed attorney?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Can you catch
Yes,
attorney?
I got it.
Yeah, thanks, before she let her go.
Attorney Tesfamariam. Attorney Tesfamariam. Please note Destiny Thomas has a court-appointed attorney. Please do not release her. Destiny Thomas has a court-appointed attorney as noted in the room title. Please do not release her. Thank you.
Thank you. I don't know who it is yet, but, I don't think they filed an appearance.
Okay. Does that mean we're expecting them to appear today, or do we need to get her a date to come back?
We're expecting her to come today.
Okay.
We can see, around 9:15.
Okay, thank you. I just don't want to keep her waiting if, in fact, it really hasn't gotten processed yet.
Right. Yeah, I don't either. Come up with
Madam Clerk,
yes.
no one's come in. Should I get just another date or what should I do?
Well, Attorney Horn, the city prosecutor, usually gets here between 8:45 and 9 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, I'll go back in. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll deal with that in just a minute. I just want to take a look at the docket sheet. All right, I'm just trying to go through the folks that I know are here, Madam Clerk, and see who's just paper.
Okay.
But I'll deal with that in just a minute. All right. On the waiting tech, please unmute and give me a name.
Adriana Perez.
Thank you. Can you spell the first name, please?
Yes, Adriana.
And Perez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Okay, going to get you into a breakout room. An attorney will come there to see you. There is a wait. There's lots of folks here and just 2 attorneys working. So they're making their way as soon as they can. It'll be quiet in the room until they get there, but we can see that you're there and waiting, okay?
Okay.
You're going to room 26. Go ahead and hit join. If you know you need to show registration, insurance, things like that, you can gather those items. All right, Madam Clerk, I'm going to step away for about 10 minutes since we don't have any offers and we don't have our city attorney yet. So it's going to take them a minute to get some things ready. Feel free to mute. I'm going to go ahead and do the same on my end.
Okay. Good morning, Carlos Thomas.
Yes, good morning.
This is the court clerk. I have you checked in. You are going to go into a breakout room and the attorneys are going to come and speak to you about your case.
Okay.
We have a busy docket today. You are going to room 27 and the attorneys are in rooms like 8, 9. So please be patient. They will be there.
Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Tartamila.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. I know we requested an attorney for you. They haven't gotten here yet. It's not quite 9:15. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Well, I'm gonna put you in 28 for now. We'll move you up later when the other room's clear.
Okay, dear, because I haven't heard from my lawyers at all. They were supposed to call me and discuss this before today, so thank you.
Right. Okay.
Thank you.
Good morning, Attorney Baughman. Morning, Attorney Horn.
Morning.
I'll try to get the judge back. She has to give you co-host.
Okay, all right, no problem. I'll just sit here on mute.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Horn, did they get the offers? Yes.
Okay, Madam Clerk.
Attorney Horn needs to be co-host. I don't know, she stepped away.
Yeah, you have host, so I can't, I made you host.
Oh, I didn't know. I did not know that.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Attorney Horn.
And then if you'll make me co-host so I can see the rooms again. Good morning, Ms. Horn. Good morning, Mr. Boffman.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh,
Attorney Boffman, you only have the one client, Jesse Tucker.
Jesse Tucker and Destiny Thomas.
Destiny Thomas is here. She is in room
6.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I need to find out who this was assigned to.
And Mr. Boffman, if you need me, I'm going to go in room 2.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mhm.
Okay, looks like we're ready on Dewan Tell. Good morning, Mr. Tell. Madam Clerk, when you're ready, Mr. Tell, we need you to unmute and turn your camera on so we know you're there. Dewan Tell. All right, I don't know what's going on there.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, thanks. Okay, can you? There we go. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready to call the case, Mr. Tell, just turn your video on for me, please, and we'll go ahead and get you done.
Okay. For Dewan Tyrone. For Dewan Tyrone Tell, SP 1898347, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor, passing on the right. And we also have U 576-37420 scheduled for review. It was a delayed sentence from August 6, 2025. 6-month delay, no payment has been made.
All right, thank you. Good morning. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Tell.
The one tell?
All right. So we're doing a review on your delayed sentence, but you haven't paid any money on the ticket for your delayed sentence. Why not?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. I don't know why the court has a record that I didn't pay, but I did pay $700, and I actually overpaid. My costs and fees was only $315, and then they kept the rest of it, which was a remainder $335, and they said that would go towards any other fees that I owed. So I never got any change back, and I did pay the fees that you told me to pay.
Well, number one, I would never set fines and costs at $215. That's not, or $315. That's not my practice. So something's not right. Move the phone, sir. If you can't hear, turn the volume up because I don't want to look inside your ear. Can you not hear me?
I'm sorry. I'm trying to hear you.
Thank you.
I hear you. I just wanted to hear you well.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, Mr. Tell is stating that he's paid money. Are they just not applying it to the delayed sentence ticket?
I don't know which ticket it was applied to, but nothing has been applied to this ticket.
All right, Mr. Tell, then you've got some research that you've got to do, which is you're going to have to go see the cashiers. Did you keep a receipt from when you're saying you paid?
I believe I took a picture of it, and I also filled out a form. They had me fill out down there at the front desk that information. They had me fill out a form to expedite the payment, for it to go faster.
All
So
right.
I do have records.
Good. So they're not showing that you've made any payments on your delayed sentence ticket. So you need to go in and make sure that they have applied payment to your delayed sentence ticket. You're going to have to figure out what's going on. Because it sounds like maybe you had some other tickets in default and they've been applying the payments you made to those tickets, and you need to get this delayed sentence ticket paid off. Because you have spent so much money trying to do that, what I'll do is I will go ahead and give you some more time on the delayed sentence, okay? I'll give you another 3 months, but it's $190. Madam Clerk, where does that put us in 3 months?
August 17th at 8:30.
All right, I'm going to have you come back August 17th at 8:30 in the morning about this delayed sentence, Mr. Tell, so that hopefully you can get it dismissed. But it's $190 that needs to be paid on it. And so you'll need to go and see the cashiers and ask them why that was not applied to that ticket. They must have applied it to other tickets, and you'll need to specifically let them know that that's what you need. All right, so August 17th at 8:30 in the morning on the U ticket with the delayed sentence. In terms of your other ticket, looks like you are admitting to going 1 to 5 miles. I've asked you not to have me looking down your ear canal. I mean, I'm just going to stop the video.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. It looks like you're going to be admitting to 1 to 5 over the speed limit. Is that correct on your other ticket?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and you are making that admission at this time?
Yes.
All right, that one's $125. On that one, you've got, I'll just give you the same 3 months. So I'll give you 90 days to pay it, just so you don't have too many confusing and competing dates, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so 125 on this one, 190 on the other one, 90 days. If you need a payment plan, make sure they know you need to pay your delayed sentence first, okay?
Okay, and I will make sure that they get it correct, because
Yeah, make sure
I
you
did
get all
pay
that
off.
stuff and even bring it with you the next time you come to court on the 17th if you need to, if you're not able to get it resolved, okay?
Okay, and then if I have to, how can I prove it any other way if they don't see it in the system?
Well, like I said, receipts, or you said you took a picture of something, if there was a form, but I have a feeling they just applied it to different tickets. So just go see them, go see the cashiers and tell them what's, see what's going on.
All right, thank you.
Okay, have a good day. Okay, I've got Dennis Wayne. Good morning. Jesse Tucker.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Wayne. Hold on one moment. Jesse Tucker, I'm going to move you to room 3. Your attorney is here. Please join room 3, Jesse Tucker, and wait for Attorney Bothman. All right, Mr. Taylor, good morning.
Good morning,
Madam
Your Honor.
Clerk, when you're ready, would you please call the Taylor matters?
Okay, for Dennis Wayne Taylor, SP 1895949, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and failed to use a seatbelt.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Dennis Wayne Taylor.
Thank you. And Mr. Taylor, it says that they've reviewed valid insurance. Did you show them proof that your insurance was valid at the time of the stop when you got the seatbelt ticket?
No, Your Honor, I did not.
Okay. And did you have valid insurance at the time you got the seatbelt ticket?
No, Your Honor, I did not. I didn't get a chance to pay it.
That's okay. But what that means is that these tickets are running together. Okay. So unless the city attorney agrees to dismiss it, because that would be part of like a deal where she's saying it's okay that you didn't have it then, but you have it now, so I'll let it go. Now, right? So what's happening is I can't just dismiss it because you have valid insurance now on my own accord. It's whether it was valid at the time. So that means the seatbelt ticket and the no insurance ticket are running together. And so here's what that means for you. That you can have the trial and formal hearing, but that's what it will be. It will be set for a trial on the insurance and a formal hearing on the seatbelt that will happen on the same day. What then is going to happen is that if your insurance was not valid on the date you were stopped at trial, right, then you are guilty of the misdemeanor of not having insurance on the date of this stop. So you need to now weigh whether or not you want to fight both these tickets at trial. Maybe you win on one of them. I don't know. It sounds like on the insurance, that's going to be a lose. But I certainly don't know about the seatbelt because I haven't heard any testimony or seen any evidence yet. But they run together. So if you want these set for trial and formal hearing, I set them both for trial and or formal hearing. If you want to see if they have a deal they're willing to make you today, you can do that as well. But I don't have the authority to dismiss the insurance ticket without proof that it was valid on the date of the stop.
Yes, ma'am.
As part of the deal. Okay. Do you want to go back in and talk with the attorney about that? What do you think you want to do?
Well, I don't want to waste the course. I don't want to waste no more time with the court.
Okay.
I want to see what kind of deal they're going to throw me, and then we can go from there.
Okay. All right. So what I'll do is I will put you back in and I will tell them to revisit you. Okay. Do you know what room you were in, Mr. Wayne?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see. Do you remember if you talked to a male attorney or a female attorney?
I talked to a female.
Okay. Thank you. All right. So what I'll do is I'll get you into one of her rooms. Give me just a moment.
Your Honor.
Uh-huh.
Just for court record, I am not driving at this moment. I had to take my son to his appointment.
Okay.
So I'm not driving.
Understood. Thank you for letting me know that. All right. I'm going to get you back in and they're going to come and see you again. Okay. Let's see. I just got to find you so I can move you. I'll put you in 8. I'm going to move you to room 8. That way you'll get the same attorney. All right.
Okay.
And then thank you. Go ahead and join room 8. Madam Clerk, could you give me back host, please? I can't talk to the breakout rooms.
Okay.
Thank you. One moment, please. Attention Attorney Tesfamariam. Attention Attorney Tesfamariam. Please revisit room 8. Please revisit room 8. All right. Good morning, Attorney Fanning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you this morning?
I'm well, and yourself?
I'm good. You ready on Jason Thomas?
I am.
And is Mr. Thomas here? Or are you waving?
Mr. Thomas should be in the waiting room.
In the wait, okay, I've got an Ashley Thompson in the waiting room. Let's see, Jason Thomas. I've got a Carlos Thomas. Is this just a civil infraction? What are you
It's
doing?
open alcohol and blockading.
Okay, then I've got to have him here to take the plea on the open alcohol, but I don't see him in any of the breakout rooms.
Okay, I will call him. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ashley Thompson, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter, okay?
Okay.
There is a wait. I will just warn you, if you know you need to show them things like registration or insurance documents, use the time to gather those items and have them ready to present. There's 2 attorneys working a lot of rooms. They're about halfway through to you. You're in room 29. You'll see the invitation now.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Your Honor, can you make me co-host?
Yes, ma'am.
You know, I'm gonna leave, but I will return.
Okay.
And I don't know if I could just set it for a trial date and then that way I could waive my client's appearance and then try to get it worked out on the next date.
Okay, that's fine with me. What's our next trial date, please, Madam Clerk?
June 9th at 9:30.
Okay, thank
Please
you.
let him know that he's got to be here because I can't let things linger on the docket. So he's got to be here on that day.
Okay, by Zoom, correct?
It's by Zoom. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, Madam Clerk, would you please get the John Mel Taylor file as well as the Gabrielle Thibodeau file ready on those when you are?
I'm ready on John Mel.
Okay, go ahead, please, when you're ready. Thank you.
For John Mel Kawan Taylor, SP 1894274, counts 1, 2, and 3, drive while license suspended, no insurance misdemeanor, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and SP 1894241, count 1, improper use of dealer specialty or historic plate, civil infraction.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Taylor. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jamel Taylor.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to resolve this by pleading to 2 counts of improper plates, everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
What's going on over there that you have to keep your head down and that you're
Okay.
putting all
On
of
my
this
phone
money?
low. My phone low. I'm trying to make sure I can hear you.
All right. Anybody force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Like, that's the question.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial on these matters?
Oh, yes. Yes.
And did counsel advise you of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear everything I'll tell you today is going to be the truth.
Thank you very much. Madam Clerk, may I have date and location for 2 improper plates, please?
April 8th, 2026, Livernois and Westfield.
Does that cover both, Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Is it also true that the plates were improper due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
All right. So you've got 2 counts of improper plates. The first one is $190. The second one I can reduce to $100. $290 altogether, 60 days to get it paid, or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. You got a number of tickets dismissed today. You must do one of those 2 things within 60 days to keep the deal in place, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Taylor.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Right, ready on Gabrielle Thibodeau or Page, Madam Clerk, when you are.
Gabrielle Page, SP 1318696, count 1, drive while license suspended.
Thank you. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Gabrielle Page.
Thank you. Looks like defense counsel has confirmed that you do have a valid Texas license, a state with which we share reciprocity. I'm dismissing your ticket at this time.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Okay, Attorney Boffman, looks like you want to get dates. Are you looking for final pretrial or trial dates?
We're gonna need a trial date, please, and thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, what's our next trial date, please?
June 9 at 9:30.
Can you do that?
One moment, I'm pretty sure I can. June 9th, 8:30.
9:30.
9:30, I'm sorry.
Mhm.
Miss Thomas, you okay with that date?
Yep, you're just muted. Here, I'll send you a prompt.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Thomas. So we'll see you back on June 9th at 9:30. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it. Bye-bye.
Bye. Same for Jesse Tucker. Attorney
Yes.
Boffman.
Yes, please, and thank you.
Okay, Jesse Tucker, please unmute.
Yes.
All right, you need to return by Zoom on June 9th at 9:30, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That's all for me today, Judge. I hope you have a great day.
Have a great day, Attorney Boffman.
I will. Bye
Have
now.
a great day, Ms. Thomas.
You as well, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, Samantha Peterson, I brought you out because you're repeatedly asking for help and that causes my courtroom out here to stop. How may I help you?
I was asking for help because I'm at school.
Okay. And do you need a date to come? Is there a day that you don't have classes that you want to try to come back?
How long would it be for today?
Well, I don't know, ma'am. They've passed your room now because I brought you out because you kept asking for help. So, you know, if you go back in, I can have her come to you next. But if you don't have time to wait because you're in class, I completely understand. I'll try to find you a day when you're not in class that you can come back.
I mean, I have to work the rest of the day, so it won't be even.
Okay, then I would suggest that you return to room 16 and I will have them get to you as quickly as they can.
All right.
All right. I know these are long dockets. I've visited other courts in other places and I know they get 2 people and they're done in 5 minutes. Unfortunately, it just doesn't work like that for us here. So best bet for you is to try to return yourself to room 16 so that they can get to you quickly.
All right.
Good morning, Attorney Soroki.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Mr. Kevin Purry and Ashley Thompson.
Kevin Purry. Oh, that's right. The officer checked in yesterday. I'm like, why do I know that name from yesterday? I told him to come back. Okay. So
Right.
Kevin Purry, let's take a look. Don't have him here yet.
Okay.
I'm right here.
Oh, you're Mr. Purry. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the other one was Ashley Thompson or Johnson?
Thompson.
Thompson. She is here. I know I just saw her. Ashley Thompson is in room 29. I'm going to move her up. I'm going to move her to room 3.
I'm on my computer, so my laptop, so I can see the rooms.
Okay,
So
great.
It's not a problem.
Okay, so Ashley
Thank you.
Thompson is in 29. And then
Right.
what I'll do is I'll move Mr. Purry down there in those numbers too. Let me see what's next. Yep, he'll be in the next room in room 30.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you, Madam Clerk, for renaming. Mr. Purry sending you to room 30 and Attorney Soroki will be there to see you.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
I need co-host abilities
Oh,
too.
okay. Sorry about that. Yep.
Thank
Let me
you.
get Mr. Purry into 30 and then I'll do that with you. There we go. Okay. And now co-host for you. Ms. Horn is in room 2 if you need her.
Thank you.
Brian Thompson, good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm all right, and you?
Good. All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter.
Okay.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Going to get you into room 31. Someone will come see you.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have a 31. All right, I got to put you up.
I just added room
Oh, great. Thank you. Okay. All right, Mr. Thompson, I'm gonna put you in 31.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and join Mr. Thompson. And Mr. Taylor, you're back with a very good offer, with a very good plea for yourself, I see. Okay. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready, would you please call the Dennis Wayne Taylor matters?
Okay, Dennis Wayne Taylor, SP 1895949, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and fail to use seatbelt.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Dennis Wayne Taylor.
Thank you. All right. So you're going to admit responsibility to the seatbelt. You're admitting that at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
And in exchange, they're dismissing the no insurance ticket. The seatbelt is a nice one because it's $65. It's the cheapest ticket you can get, basically, and it doesn't put any points on your license, okay?
Okay.
All right. $65, 60 days to get it paid or get on a payment plan with the cashiers. The insurance ticket is dismissed pursuant to your plea.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You do the same.
Marquita Turner, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room.
Good morning.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know who that was that you talked to?
No, I don't remember his name.
That's okay. I'll put you, they called you or something outside of your court date?
I just talked to someone the last court day.
Okay. All right. I'm going to get you into room 3. Somebody will be there to see you in a bit. Okay. There is a wait. Please don't get impatient. We've got a heavy docket today. They're coming.
Okay. Thank you.
Room 3. Go ahead and join.
Hey, how you doing, man? I'm sorry about that.
I'll be right with you. One moment, please.
Okay, my phone was on mute. I apologize.
Thank you. That's okay. Attorney Tesfamariam, please be aware the client is back in room 16. Your client is back in room 16 waiting to be seen. Thank you. All right, Lazaro Pearson, Madam Clerk, whenever you are ready. Mr. Pearson, you can go ahead, yep, and unmute and turn on your camera for me. Thanks so much.
How you doing?
Lazaro Pearson, SP 1897059, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and 11 to 15 miles per hour over posted speed.
Thank you, sir. Please state your name for the record.
Lazaro Pearson.
Thank you. Looks like they're going to reduce that 11 to 15 to 1 to 5 over limited access. Anything else would be dismissed. That gets you out of here with 0 points and a lesser fine. You're going to admit to that?
Yes, ma'am. Do I have time, Your Honor, to pay that ticket?
Yes. So first of all, I just need you to admit that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. $125, 60 days.
Okay.
Okay. If you can't get it paid in the 60 days, you can also start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor in 60 days and you'll keep your deal.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome, but they will want money down from you. So just know that even if you're doing the payment plan, you got to put something down on it within 60 days. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Am I all set, ma'am?
You're all set. Have a great day. Right back. All right. I've got Ivy Tinsley next.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Tinsley.
Okay, one moment. Your Honor, for Christopher's iPhone, I need to know who Christopher is.
Yep. On Christopher's iPhone, please unmute. We need a name.
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can't hear you. Yes. What's your name?
Christopher Turner.
Hey, Christopher Turner, are you the one, do you have training at 9:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you give the attorney your information for an appointed attorney?
I did.
Okay, as long as she has all your information and you have your new court date, you're all set. And
I don't have a new date though.
But she did get your information, your phone number and your email, right?
No, she didn't. She just took my phone number, not my email.
What's your email address, Mr. Turner?
It is my last name Turner, Turner, Nova, Nova 3 @gmail.com.
Thank you.
Okay, and the next court date will be June 2, that's June 2nd at 9:15.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Sorry, Your Honor. I know you said something about training.
No, I appreciate you catching that. Thank you.
Now we have Ivy Ladon Tinsley, SP 1807144, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. Ms. Tinsley, state your name for the record, please.
Ivy Ladon Tinsley.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, I've got a responsible to failure to secure. Is that failure to secure minor?
Yes, a passenger child. It is on SP 1895532, counts 1, 2, and 3. Expired plate civil, failure to secure passenger child, civil, and no invalid registration civil.
All right, thank you. And the date and time of that ticket, please?
April 9, 2026, 1:59 p.m., Puritan and Prairie.
Thank you. Ms. Tinsley, did you hear that date and location just stated by Madam Clerk?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I did.
And you are admitting that you failed to secure a child at that date and location in a vehicle that you were operating?
Okay, can I say something, Your Honor? So when I had got pulled over, me and my son had our seatbelts on. So he's under this assumption that when we got pulled over, he was like, we got to get out the car. So when he saw me take my seatbelt off, because I had to reach over for in the glove box, he took his off. So when the officer walked up, I explained, he said, well, he don't have a seatbelt on. I said, because he seen me take mine off and he thought we had to stand outside the car. That's the only reason why he took it off. But yes, I'm going to plead to it because he was in the front seat with me and he was in the car with me. So
okay. So this failure to secure a child does have kind of one of the higher fines. Okay. So I just want you to know that as you admit to it, that is a fine that's going to attach, okay?
Okay.
All right. But you are making the admission. I mean, I guess we can say that it would have been your responsibility to make sure he didn't take it off. Although I understand as a mom that when you're trying to do a million things at the same time, that's difficult to do.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Okay, Madam Clerk, can you remind me the fine on the failure to secure child?
120.
Okay, so it's not horrible. All right. $120.
Okay.
Ms. Tinsley. Okay. And you get 60 days to pay it.
Okay.
And if you can't get it paid in 60 days, you can see one of the cashiers on the first floor for more time to pay. You just have to give them the down payment.
Okay.
All right, within the 60 days. And then they can put you on a much longer term payment plan if you need it. And for the record, everything else is dismissed. And all you have to do is either pay the 120 within 60 days.
Oh, I will.
Give them the down payment within 60 days to keep all the other stuff dismissed, okay?
Okay. Now I have a question. Could I pay it at like one of the kiosks or do I just come downtown and pay it? Do it?
Either one. You can do either one. Just know that the kiosk won't give you change back. So you can make partial payments at the kiosk, but if you overpay at the kiosk, it's going to keep your money.
Okay, and I just put in the ticket that I have. Do I just input that ticket number that's
You should just be able to put your name in. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. All right. All right. Officer Harper, good morning again.
Good morning.
All right, gonna put you in room 1, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Soroki, the officer is here on Kevin Purry. Officer is present on Kevin Purry. All right, ready on Ashley Paymon when you are, Madam Clerk.
Okay, Ashley Simone Paymon, SP 1191600, count 1, driver license suspended. SP 1194366, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And SP 1194373, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Payman. Just state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Ashley Payman.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates and 3 other matters are being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear and affirm everything I'm going to tell you today is the truth.
Thank you very much. You can put your hand down. Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location on the improper plates, please? I have 2 counts.
Okay. April 30th, 2020. They're all on 3 separate tickets, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, we can start with the first one, please.
Okay. April 30th. Oh, same date though.
Perfect.
April 30th, 2021, West 7 Mile and Southfield Service Drive.
Okay, Ms. Payman, did you hear the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk?
Mm-hmm.
And is it true that I need a yes or no for
Oh,
the
yes.
court order? Thank you. Is it true that at that date and location you had improper plates on your vehicle due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Is it also true that the plates were improper due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Okay, so the first fine is going to be $190.
Okay.
The second one's going to be $100.
So
Okay.
90.
Yeah, that's why we were glad they were on the same date. That means I can knock one of them down to $100. Okay, so
Oh.
190 on the first one, 100 on the second one, 290 altogether, 60 days to either get it paid or see the cashiers on the first floor and get on a payment plan. As long as you do one of those 2 things within the 60 days, the other 3 matters stay dismissed, okay?
Okay.
They will want a down payment from you. So even if you're going to get on a payment plan, you want to go see them soon so you know how much they're going to want down before the 60 days runs out.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, Ms. Payman.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Well,
All right. We'll do Chelsea Turner next when you're ready, Madam Clerk. Attorney Johnson, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Attorney Johnson, you now have co-host. I think she's in room 2 if you need her. Madam City Attorney, I'm sorry. She's not there right now, actually. All right, ready when you are, Chelsea Turner.
Okay. Chelsea Alexandria Turner, SX 4678199, counts 1 and 2, speeding on the freeway 6 to 10 over, and motor vehicle, no insurance, misdemeanor.
Thank you. Ms. Turner, good morning.
Good morning.
Just state your name for the record, please.
Chelsea Turner.
Thank you. Looks like you're admitting responsibility to going 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point ticket. Is that correct?
Correct.
And you are making that admission at this time?
Yes.
Thank you. Your admission is accepted. The fine is $125. You have 60 days to pay it or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. You can pay your ticket online or at a kiosk or with the cashiers in person.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye. I have a device that says Zoom user.
Yes,
What's your name, please?
Dana Thompson.
Thank you.
She was in one of the rooms and she did have an offer next to her name. I don't know what it was though.
Oh, no. Okay. Ms. Thompson, do you remember, were they sending you out to enter a plea?
Yes.
And do you remember what you were pleading to?
Doing 60 to 20 mile over.
I hope they weren't going to have you admit to 16 to 20 over. That might have been your original charge. Let's see what's going on. Did you meet with a male attorney or a female attorney?
A female.
Okay, thank you. One moment, please. Basil Johnson's here on Tartamella.
He's yeah. I'm
And
just changing
Tartamella is in, but okay. Yeah, I was just going to let him know. Attention, Attorney Johnson. Attention, Attorney Johnson. Your client is in room 28. Attorney Johnson, your client is in room 28. Okay, then let me try to get Attorney Tesfa Miriam out here so she can tell me what the offer was on your case. She's in the middle of a conversation with another client, so I have to wait a moment. Can you pull the DeQuaylen Thrasher tickets, please? Trying to understand if there's an offer on the civil.
She has 2 civil infractions. I mean, he has 2 civil infractions.
Right. I was trying to see if she had made any offer on the civil infractions.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think did she send us the offers?
No. Mm-mm. She must have sent them to counsel, though. Can you send her a message and ask her to send the offers over to us, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
They about to make you.
Please be aware that you're not muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Attorney Soroki, we're ready on Ashley Thompson.
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Ashley Thompson matter when you're ready?
Okay. Just a second.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for Ashley Monique Thompson, Z8099561, operating with blood alcohol content of 0.17 or more, city.
Thank you. Attorney Tesfa, I do need to speak with you for a moment, so I'm glad you're back. Let me just get this one out of the way and then we'll talk. Attorney Soroki, your appearance, please.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Ashley Monique Thompson.
Thank you. Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, defendant is at this time is accepting the offer of the prosecution's matter. She will be pleading to as charged to high driving with high BAC level 0.17 or more, and with a reduction to operating while intoxicated.
Thank you. Ms. Thompson, does that sound correct to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did any state your name for the record, please?
Ashley Monique Thompson.
Thank you. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at that trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept a plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
It's the truth.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
November 2nd, 2025, West Davidson and Rosa Parks Boulevard.
Thank you. Ms. Thompson, were you operating a vehicle at that date and location in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Had you been consuming alcohol at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
And had that alcohol impaired your ability to drive?
Yes.
Thank you. Attorney Saruki, are we okay with using the intoxilizer to establish intoxication?
Your Honor, it was a blood draw with
Blood draw.
0.25.
Thank you.
Yes,
All right.
you can.
Thank you. All right. Then the plea is accepted as long as you are satisfied with the factual basis, Attorney Saruki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Thompson, you're going to return to us for sentencing on a different date. That's because probation is going to do an interview with you and give me a sentencing recommendation. Okay.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, what is the date for sentencing, please? So we can check with Attorney Saruki.
July 14th at 8:30.
Does that work for you?
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right. We'll see you back July 14th by Zoom at 8:30 a.m., Ms. Thompson.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Attorney Tesfamarian, you have Shayna Thompson, who I think you had an offer that she was accepting, but she left the session altogether, came back, so I can't see the notes anymore. Can you please refer to your notes and see if you can tell me what she's pleading to?
Shayna Thompson.
Mm-hmm. She said she spoke with you.
Limited access 1 to 5 and 4 dismissals.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Also, Your Honor, Miss Samantha Peterson, she has a matter in default judgment as of March, a couple of months ago. I'd like to have that pulled out of default. She's shown valid documents for it. It's for no registration.
That's fine.
I don't see the people to make that request, and I did put it next to her name.
Miriam, if she has proof and it's just from a couple of months ago, I will allow you to pull it out of default.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, ready on Shayna Thompson. Does that mean Ms. Peterson is ready? Does that mean she has proof of everything?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Okay, would you call the Shayna Thompson matter, please, Madam Clerk?
Yes, I'm here.
For Shayna Thompson, SP 1557663, counts 1, 2, and 3. Driver's license never acquired, no insurance misdemeanor, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. And SP 1895767, counts 1 and 2, drove while unlicensed, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed.
Okay, now Ms. Thompson, state your name for the record.
Shayna Thompson.
Thank you. All right, you are not admitting to 16 to 20 over, which would have been a 4-point ticket. You are admitting instead to 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point ticket. Does that sound right?
Yes.
All right. And you are admitting to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit at the time you were ticketed?
Yes.
Okay. Fine is $125, 60 days to get it paid or get on a payment plan. Make sure you do one of those 2 things because we're dismissing other matters, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Attorney Johnson?
Ready.
Okay, I'll bring your person out. And then when you're ready on Samantha Peterson, Madam Clerk, could you please call the cases and the charges, please?
For SP 1871655, count 1, for Samantha Renee Peterson, no insurance misdemeanor, and being taken out of default, SP 1871294, count 1, no valid registration certificate, civil.
Thank you. Ms. Peterson, good morning. Please unmute, turn on your camera, state your name.
Samantha Peterson.
Thank you. Good morning. Looks like defense counsel has reviewed all of your valid documentation. I've granted her motion to pull your one ticket out of default. So we're pulling that out of default and everything is dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a blessed one.
All right. Bye-bye. You too.
Bye-bye.
I'm trying to bring your client out.
Should I go in and get her?
Maybe. I think she's in 28.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to, you can go grab her. Thank you.
Well, hi there.
Good morning. All right, attorney, Madam Clerk, if you are ready, I'm ready on Tartamella.
Okay, for Deborah Sean Tartamella, SP 1877621, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson.
Man, please, Court Vassal Johnson, the second, P72130 on behalf of Miss Tartamella. She's on Zoom.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Tartamella. Once again, please state your name for the record.
Good morning. Deborah Sean Tartamella.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor, Miss Tartamella has some information for me. So I want to review that as well as further reviewing the discovery for possible motion filing. So if we could have a reset for another pre-trial, that'd be great.
Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, do you have discovery now or are you just waiting for it?
I have some, and then she has some that she hasn't tendered yet to my office.
Gotcha. Okay, Madam Clerk, what's our next final pretrial date?
June 2nd.
Does that work for you, Attorney Johnson?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so Ms. Tartamella, we'll see you back by Zoom, June the 2nd at 8:30 or 9:15, sorry. Okay, June 2nd, 9:15 a.m.
Thank you very much.
All right, see you both then.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye. You too.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I don't know if my second sound like 7. I don't want people to get confused.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hey, Tompkins, how you doing?
That's it.
Good. Do we know which officer we're expecting on Marquita Turner?
Marquita Turner. Clint Davis, looks like.
Okay. I'm showing 10:02 a.m. What are you
Oh, yeah.
showing?
Is there a Clint Davis on the list? I don't think so. And I don't believe any officers. Who was that walked in?
That was landlord.
Oh, landlord.
What time are you showing? I'm showing 10:02, but this computer sometimes runs early.
9:58,
Okay.
and it's, yeah, Clint Davis, and we haven't had anyone check in.
All right, let's go ahead and pull that file. We'll get her
Okay.
out of here. Okay, good morning again, Ms. Turner. The officer who was subpoenaed for trial today is not here.
Can't hear you. I don't know why it's so low.
Okay, well, try turning up your volume. I'll try turning up mine.
Yeah, I turned it all the way up.
Okay. All right, Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready to call Marquita Turner.
Okay, U 728-38625 for Marquita Turner.
Ms. Turner, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Marquita Turner.
Thank you, Ms. Turner. The officer who was subpoenaed to appear for your trial today has not appeared and has failed to notify the court as to the reason for their non-appearance. Your tickets or your case is being dismissed without prejudice at this time. That means they could refile it in the future. It is not the norm for them to do so. If they did refile it, you would come see me again and we would begin the process. But as for now, your tickets are dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Got Rebecca Page in room 20. What's going on there? Insurance plates, registration. All right, you can pull the Rebecca Page file, please, Madam Clerk. It's going to be one count of improper plate.
Okay.
And then Dennis Pritchard is now ready. Mr. Pritchard, good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Okay, ready on Pritchard whenever you are, Madam Clerk. It's going to be 1 failure to display, 1 improper plate, 4 dismissals.
Okay. For Dennis Deshawn Pritchard, SP 1899584, counts 1, 2, and 3. Driver license suspended, no insurance misdemeanor, expired plate civil. And SP 1653715, counts 1, 2, and 3. No insurance misdemeanor, driver license suspended, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle.
Thank you. Mr. Pritchard, please state your name for the record.
Dennis Pritchard.
Thank you. As stated, it looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a license, 1 count of improper plate, 4 other matters being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
That is.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Nope.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Judge.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yep.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, she did.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, I am.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the failure to display and improper plate, please?
April 17th, 2026, Grand River and Losser.
Mr. Pritchard, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
That's true.
Is it also true that there were not proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your fine on the failure to display is going to be $190. On the improper plate, it's $100. So $290 altogether, 60 days to either get it paid in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those 2 things, these other 4 matters that we're dismissing stay dismissed. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Attorney Tesfamariam. I've got Rebecca Page in room 20 who does not have her documents. Do you have an offer on her?
I'll check.
I'm assuming it would be improper plates. If you don't, she does not have her documents.
And thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn. What was the name again? I'll check too, Miss Tesfamariam.
Page, Page, first name Rebecca.
Okay.
No insurance, expired plates, no registration.
And she does not have any of those.
Can we roll with the expired plate civil infraction and dismissal of the balance?
Okay. Would you take that to our Attorney Tesfamariam, please?
I'll be happy to.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see. There was a gentleman, Miss Horn. I wanted a revised offer for him.
Thrasher, that's in room 4.
Okay.
Because he has valid.
I'll take a look at it. I'll meet you in the breakout room. I don't want to suck up the court.
Okay.
Yep. All right. I'll see you in breakout room 2.
I'll go there now.
Just see Miss Page first, please, because I think she's ready to go on the expired plate civil. Thank you.
Okay.
Your locks look really nice, Miss Tesfamariam.
They really
Just
do.
got them done yesterday.
They look beautiful.
Yes.
Took 4 hours.
Oh, they're
That's
also
not bad.
Really, because I'm about to go today and I'll be there. Okay, I'll have 3 meals.
Okay, let's see. That was Miss. I'm sorry. What's her name again? Miss Rebecca
Page. She's in room 20.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk,
Yes,
can you tell me whether Carlos Thomas has an open alcohol charge? I got a message from Ms. Horn, but I can't match it up with the person she's talking about.
I don't see that. We don't have.
If you don't see that ticket for him, then that's fine, because I'm not saying that he does or does not. I just got a message from her with a name I didn't recognize. Okay.
No, I don't see it.
Okay, thank you.
And one of these. Something is missing off.
All right, we are ready on Rebecca Page. I'm gonna bring her out.
This one. Why isn't this on the docket? Oh. Carlos Thomas was from yesterday, right? Yeah.
Carlos Thomas?
He does have she's probably talking about underage 21 possess more than 2.5 ounces of marijuana. He's from yesterday.
Yeah, no, that's not what she's talking. So she sent me something about another Thomas who I don't see in a breakout room. So I was wondering if she was mixing up the name. So no.
Okay, yeah, he was from yesterday. And
do you see an offer on him from yesterday? Because they're saying they need an offer on count 3, which I'm assuming might be that count.
Yeah, that's the count. I left it off from yesterday. Did she send us the offer yesterday? She sure did.
Okay, Ms. Page will be right with you. Attorney Wallace, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I had a Ivy Tinsley that I was trying to come back and talk to. It looks like y'all already took care of her.
I think we did. Yeah, I think we took care of it.
The whole thing was supposed to be eventually. It was supposed to be dismissed. I had to go talk. I had to find out.
That's what we did. I think that's what we did. Actually, I'll double check, but we'll make sure we clean that up. If not,
okay,
that's an easy fix. We're trying to figure out Carlos Thomas, who you have in room 27, was here yesterday.
I got him.
You have his offer from.
I have an offer. It's just a 3-month. It's a 3-month. Everything else is dismissed. So I'm gonna go talk to him.
Okay, perfect. Okay, then we're ready on Rebecca Page.
All righty. For Rebecca Page, SP 1895866, counts 1, 2, and 3. No insurance misdemeanor, expired plate civil, and no valid registration certificate civil.
Thank you. Good morning again, Ms. Page. Just state your name.
Good morning. Rebecca Page.
Thank you. I'm told you're just going to admit to the expired plates. They're going to dismiss both of the other matters. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and you are making that admission at this time?
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, the fine on the expired?
$145.
$145, thank you. Okay, Ms. Page, $145. You have 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. If you can't pay it all in 60 days, that's fine. Just get them their down payment within the 60 days.
Okay.
And then the other 2 things will stay dismissed, okay?
All righty.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Madam Clerk, when you have time, would you please just take a double check the Ivy Tinsley matter and note that that is dismissal of all charges.
Okay.
Okay. Did Ms. Tesfamariam get to you about room 4?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. And so we were, I think she kept saying limited access 1 to 5. I just wanted the court to be aware that it's limited access 11 to 15.
Okay, 11 to 15 limited access on Thrasher. Okay.
Yep, because the one on there is charged 82 and a 55. And that's the only thing I'm asking him to plead to because he has a valid license, Your Honor.
Okay, then can I just make sure if we're going to lose you again, that she has what she needs on rooms 24 and 26, that she does have offers on them.
All right. I'll take a look. Thank you, Your Honor. And
Thank you.
I'm just gonna hang out here. I think they should be cruising right now.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Your Honor, for Ivy Tinsley, do you want to put that on the record? Because she pled to the seatbelt for her child.
Yep, let's go ahead and just recall that one matter. Thank you.
And Your Honor, we're moving to dismiss all. I thought the cutest story for
I
seatbelt, because you
heard.
know how I feel about seatbelts.
Yep, I heard. Thank you.
I would too. I'm going with mama.
Thank you. Yep. That's what I told her. I said, she said, he took it off. I said, I know. I guess we can say you had to make sure he didn't, but I know when you're doing a million things, it's hard to be watching everything. All right. So Madam Clerk, yep, if you would just recall that one so that we can dismiss it on the record.
Okay, recalling for Ivy LaDon Tinsley, SP 1895532, count 2, failed to properly secure passenger child.
Thank you. Noting for the record, this ticket has now been dismissed per the city. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. All right, then we're ready on Carlos Thomas, I take it.
We are, Your Honor.
Okay. And we made sure that Ms. Tinsley's we just did that on the record so that it got dismissed.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, Madam Clerk, ready when you are on Carlos Thomas.
Carlos Andre Thomas, SP 1895175, counts 1, 2, and 3, drove while license not valid or improper license, tinted windows, under age 21, possessed more than 2.5 ounces of marijuana.
Thank you. Counsel.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Carlos Andre Thomas.
Thank you. Attorney Wallace.
Your Honor, so there is an issue. When you look on the 36th District website and for the ROA, it shows over the legal limit. But Mr. Thomas's ticket and Madam Clerk's ticket says under 21. Mr. Thomas is in his 30s. So I don't understand if the ticket, if it's confusing. First of all, everything was supposed to be done. He was supposed to be here yesterday and showed up late where he was told to come back. But the marijuana count's not on today's calendar. I looked it up on the ROA and it shows over the limit, over the legal amount. So I'm confused because what he's going to be pleading to a 3-month delayed on the over the legal limit. But if the ticket is is being underage, he can't. We can't even do a factual basis on that.
Have we reviewed the face of the ticket?
I don't have that.
Okay.
That's what's on the face of the ticket.
What is on the face of the ticket?
The underage 21 possessed more than 2.5 ounces of marijuana.
Can we get a copy and I can just review it? Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, I'm going to mute you and turn your camera off for just a minute while we take a look at the ticket.
Okay.
All right, please send me a copy as well, and Attorney Wallace a copy as well, Madam Clerk.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So Roki is back in room 2, Ms. Horn.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. And then I did put the offers for 24 and 26 on there.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sent.
Thank you. So as I'm looking at this, I will tell you that given the remarks, I don't know that an error would be fatal to the ticket, because the remarks pretty clearly say that it's the amount. But I'm willing to hear, whatever you guys want me to hear about it, but I'm just noting that the remarks do describe the accusation. Mr. Thomas drove without valid license, window tint, and more than 2.5 ounces of marijuana. But I need to take a look at something else though, so.
We might be missing a punctuation mark or something.
Right, yeah, that's what now I'm back to the statute.
And I think there might be an issue with the way it's probably in the CAD or in the ticket system, because I'm looking at the statute too. And just if I could add, don't think in this statute it even mentions age, because I searched 21.
Yeah, more than 2.5 ounces is still going to put him over the limit.
Yeah, I agree with that. I just that was the part. So if it might be something where it's where they just do it all in the same statute for age and amount. And if that's the case, then I just wanted to make sure we had a clear factual basis that it's based on the weight and not his age. So that being said, we're ready to go forward.
Okay.
And it does mention the it's only $100, Mr. Wallace, from what I can tell. The judge will make that determination.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, then, Madam Clerk, we are ready on Carlos Thomas.
I think we already have our names on there. So, Your Honor, Mr. Thomas would like to plead under a 3-month delayed for the over the legal limit of marijuana with a dismissal of the remaining and probable cause stipulated.
Okay, thank you. Attorney Tessman Miriam, just making sure that you know your offers are now on rooms 24 and 26 in the room name. So 24 FTD and blockading for 24. Room 26 offer is FTD.
Thank you.
All right, Madam Clerk, when you're ready, please call the Carlos Thomas matter.
Carlos Andre Thomas, SP 1895175, counts 1, 2, and 3, drove while license not valid or improper license, tinted windows, and under age 21 possessed more than 2.5 ounces of marijuana.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. I need you to get still, please. Thank you. All right, Attorney Wallace.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please state your name.
Hello, it's Andre Thomas.
All right, Mr. Thomas, your attorney just represented the plea offer that you will be pleading under, which is a 3-month delayed sentence on transporting more than 2.5 ounces of marijuana, and then the other 2 counts would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Were you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
April 8th, 2026, West Side Drive in Asbury Park.
Mr. Thomas, is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were operating a vehicle while carrying more than 2.5 ounces of usable marijuana?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied, and we do stipulate the probable cause.
Thank you. The fine is $100. 60 days to get it paid, Mr. Thomas.
Okay. And I'm not trying to hold y'all up, but I just need to ask one question. I have a 30-day suspension on my license, but I was trying to go pay my license off on Friday, soon as the suspension over. Do that 3 months mess with that, or can I still get my license in between them 3 months?
Well, it may, Attorney Wallace, I don't know whether or not they'll make you finish out the whole 90 days. Because this will be on your record for 90 days. It will come off in 90 days as long as the fine is paid and you haven't gotten any similar tickets.
Mhm.
But
Okay.
because it's more Secretary of State issue, I'm not positive. Attorney Wallace, do you know?
I don't know. I don't. The Secretary of State seems to be their own.
Yeah, operate by their own set of rules.
Mhm.
Okay, I understand. I can just go there and figure it out.
Yeah, and I don't know. The truth is, I don't know what they'll do. They may make you wait the 90 days.
Okay.
Okay. All right, Mr. Thomas. Have a good day.
All right. You enjoy your day.
You
Thank
too.
you. You
Bye-bye.
too.
All right. Then we're ready on DeQuaylen Thrasher when you are, Madam Clerk.
DeQuaylen William Harbor Thrasher, SX 4678958, counts 1, 2, and 3, no operator's license on person, motor vehicle, no insurance, speeding on the freeway, 25 miles per hour or over, and SX 4678961, count 1, failed to yield right of way.
Thank you. Good morning again, Mr. Thrasher. Please unmute and state your name.
Good morning. My name is DeQuaylen Thrasher.
Thank you. Right, looks like you were admitting to going 11 to 15 over limited access. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else?
No.
All right. So it's going to be, let's see, is that 145, Madam Clerk, the 11 to 15 limited access?
I think it's 150.
Okay, 150, because I always get that one wrong. I think you're right. I always make it $5 too low. It's set by statute, Mr. Thrasher. So it's going $150. You are admitting to going at least 11 miles per hour over the posted speed limit on the freeway?
Yes.
Okay, $150. You've got 60 days to get this paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers if you can't pay it all in the 60 days. You have to at least give them their down payment and start on the payment plan. That keeps the other 3 tickets that we're dismissing today dismissed, okay?
Okay.
And keeps it from going back up, the speed.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Dorian Pittman.
Scheduled for 1:30.
Okay. Dorian Pittman. Dorian Pittman. Please unmute.
Hold on. Can you hear me now?
Yes, you're early for court. Court's not till 1:30 for you.
Yeah, this at 1:30. I never did this before. I'm trying to.
All right,
Yeah,
good. So you figured out how to do it. Just do it again at 1:30, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Attorney Wallace, you are all done.
All right. Well, thanks. I besides tomorrow, I'm gonna be here all week, the rest of the week. So I'll see you
Wonderful.
on Wednesday.
Okay, see you Wednesday.
All right,
Thanks so
bye.
much. Bye.
And I am sending the names and contact information right now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
All right, looks like we're ready on Adriana Perez now, Madam Clerk, please.
Okay. For Adriana Perez, SP 1887719, counts 1 and 2, drive while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Ms. Perez, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Adriana Perez.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, and the no insurance charge is going to be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the failure to display, please?
March 28, 2026, Clark Street and West Verner Highway.
Ma'am, is it true that at that date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor if you need a longer time to pay. They're going to want a down payment from you and you have to give them that before the 60 days runs out. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, ready on Kevin Purry, looks like when you're ready, Madam
Yes, we're
Clerk.
ready, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, just a second.
Okay, we'll let you get caught up.
Okay, we're also scheduled for a review for Kevin Purry as well. SP 1874977, counts 1 and 2, reckless driving, open alcohol in a motor vehicle, driver, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket for trial or review.
Thank you. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Kevin Eugene Purry.
Thank you. Counsel.
Your Honor, the defendant is accepting the offer of the prosecution at this time. And the offer is, as to the reckless driving ticket, defendant will plead as charged and it will be reduced to careless driving. And the remaining matters will all be dismissed, the remaining 4 matters.
All right, thank you. Mr. Purry, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
And this is actually going to be a civil infraction, so it's just an admission of responsibility, not a guilty plea.
Okay.
And so you are admitting then that you were driving carelessly at the time that you were accused of doing so.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Madam Clerk, do you know the fine on the careless?
$210.
Okay. So 210 on that one. 60 days, Mr. Purry, to
Okay,
pay
ma'am.
or get on a payment plan with the cashiers. Now I'm told you have one thing that's in review. Is that for delayed sentence, Madam Clerk?
Yes, it's a delayed sentence, illegal dumping from September 25th, 2023. It was a 12-month delayed sentence. The original fine from Judge Garrett was $240.
Has anything been paid there?
No, and there are late fees and everything, but you know, the original fine is $240.
All right, Mr. Purry, so you still have this out there from, you know, a year and a half ago, the $240 that you were supposed to pay on the illegal dumping ticket.
Okay, ma'am. I'm gonna get it done. How long do I got to pay that?
Well, I mean, honestly, what you had was a delayed sentence for a year and you're now over that. So you could get stuck with this on your record. How soon can you pay it?
If you could give me 60 days, I could pay all of it. That
All right.
and the other ticket.
Okay, well, I'll do 60 days on this one too then.
And thank you, Your
Okay,
Honor. Mika Horn, on behalf of the people,
what?
I will agree with the 60 days, even though he's had a year on the illegal dumping.
Thank you. Yeah.
But as the prosecutor, if this doesn't get paid, at least that illegal dumping in the 60 days that the judge is so graciously extending, I would object to delaying the sentence, and it would just be a straight up charge of illegal dumping.
And I would agree with you. And I'll tell you right now, Mr. Purry, it needs to get paid.
I'm going to pay
No
it.
further extensions on this. You understand?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Your Honor.
Have a
Thank
good
you,
day.
Mr.
Thank you.
Purry. All right, take care.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
You too.
It's hard
Thank
out here. I get it.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
For Mr. Purry, are those other two, were they no officers or per plea?
I can't remember, ma'am, but to be honest.
She's asking your attorney. Hold on.
Oh.
That's per plea.
Okay. Thanks.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
Attorney Soroki. Thank you, Mr. Purry.
You're
Have a good
welcome.
day.
Have a good day.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you.
She's in there with one last person. I'm gonna go ahead and close these breakout rooms.
Alrighty.
Please be aware breakout rooms are closing. Please be aware breakout rooms are closing.
Ms. Horn, are you available?
Yes, I am.
Miss Ebony Town, she showed 2 valid documents. Can we dismiss blockading or something like that?
Let's
Blockade?
see, Ebony Town.
Towns, she showed valid proof for insurance and registration.
Yeah, her charges though are no license, so FTD and blockading. That's
Yeah,
her.
yeah, and so
I
she
was
has
already
valid,
dismissing those.
I know, but she had valid documents for those. Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we have Ms. Towns with us now.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, ready when you are on Ebony Towns.
Yes. For Ebony Shakila Towns, SB 1894862 counts 1, 2, and 3. Stop Street, failed to stop. No valid registration certificate, no proof of insurance, civil, and driver's license never acquired.
Thank you. Attorney Tesfamariam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Towns Tesfamariam on the behalf of Miss Ebony Towns, P number 37099. Miss Towns, would you state your name for the record, please?
Ebony Towns.
Thank you. Attorney Horn.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Thank you, Your Honor. The people will amend the never acquired driver's license if she'd like to take this offer to an allowing to allow her to better go and get her license since she's never gotten one according to the charge.
Okay, thank you. Right,
Thank
so Ms.
you.
Towns, that's an improvement in your offer, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive because it doesn't go down on it as a driving offense on your record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Would you like to accept that, Ms. Towns?
I would, my name is Towns too. I'm sorry.
You're right. It sure is. Sorry about
Lucille
that.
Towns Tesfamariam.
Yep, I forgot that. It sure is.
So forgive
right.
me.
You know, we're all related. I always say, hey, cousin, when that happens to me. All right. Okay, Ms. Towns. So the offer would then be to Ms. Ebony Towns, the offer would then be to an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive instead of the failure to display your own license. And then they're knocking that failure to stop down to a blockading for you, which gets you 0 points, and that doesn't go on your driving record.
Okay,
right.
yes.
All right. Now, did anybody promise, and then those other 2 are being dismissed on your valid documentation. Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Were you advised that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. See an answer.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the allowing, please?
Say that again.
Just asking the clerk to give us a date and location for your plea to the
Oh.
allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Okay.
April 8th, 2026, Oakland Boulevard and Petoskey.
Boy.
Ebony Towns, is it true that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle at that date and location in the city of Detroit, even if the unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes, that was me.
Thank you. And then you are also admitting to blockading traffic, which is a reduction from your failure to stop ticket. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Your failure to display is 190. Your blockading is 175. You have 60 days to do one of 2 things. Pay them
Okay.
off in full or go see the cashiers on the first floor and let them
Okay.
know you need a longer term payment plan if you need one. They'll just ask you for a down payment. As long as you at least give them the down payment to start paying within your 60 days, get on your payment plan, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
All right.
First floor.
First floor cashiers, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you, everyone, for your hard work today. Much, much appreciated.
Thank you, Judge.
All
Okay.
right.
Bye,
Everybody
everybody.
have a great day.
Bye.
You too.
Bye. Were you talking to me?
Just to remind you and Andrea, I won't be here tomorrow.
Okay, thank you for the reminder. I appreciate it.
Okay, enjoy your day off.
Thank you, Andrea. Have a great day.
You too, Judge. Bye.
All right, Kim and Tompkins, have a great day. Thank you.
Okay.
Got to jump into 134.